Hello everyone, again welcome to my YouTube channel Momomoto, and today I have very interesting device, that is Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. And this is M1, not M2, but I have got this only at 13,000 rupees and it has 6 gigs of RAM. So let's begin with unboxing of the device. So you can see here, this is Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, and this is the box of Asus Zenfone Max Pro, and which is now seal packed. So let's open the seal first. It has polythene wrap around it. So yes, this is like a packet of any premium chocolate. So you can see here. Yes. So the first thing is written over here that we love photo. So we can see. Now it's time to begin with the first thing. What is on the top of the device is the fingerprint image extractor tool, and it also has some this is kind of TPU case, what we call it, and it's of nice quality. And apart from that, some paperwork you can see here, and this is something, I think, warranty information is present over here. And the next thing you can see here is the device itself, which is in a premium kind of wrap. Oh wow. So I'll say the build quality is little different. What I was expecting, the color will be more towards golden color, but it's really a gray color. And you can see it's looking very premium. And here it's a 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera along with LED flash, and this is fingerprint sensor, Asus branding, some sticker and some printed information. And at the bottom of the device you can see this is the speaker grill, and this is charging point, and here is a primary mic, and this is 3.5mm jack. At the top of the device it is earpiece. This is a camera which is of 16 megapixel, and here something, I think this is LED flash. And at the left side you can see here this is volume rocker, and this is power button. And at this side this is SIM tray. So let's boot up the device first, and till the time it's booting up, let's have a look on other contents of the device. So you can see here this is something called boom box, which will be like this, and you can put your phone here like this to enhance the quality. And apart from that, this is a data cable, which is a normal USB from type A to normal USB. And the last content is of charging brick. You can see here the rating is 5 volt 2 ampere. If you can see here, this is SS branding over here, and just nothing else. So let's begin with the device. So I'll start to the phone, skip this, continue, and yes, I agree to location as well, agree, Now I will set up is a new, right, I agree. So skip anyway, next, done. So you can see here the quality, I'll say, is a very nice, a very premium, if you can feel this. So here it's looking like a stock Android, nothing. And let's have a look, about phone. Go to about phone and then I'll check the Android version. So here you are getting 8.1. so GenUI is also there. So this is Android 8.1. and if I look at the storage part, here are 9.73 GB is used out of 64. So you'll get around 52 gigs of memory free when you will pull it up first time. And apart from that, the display, you have a lot of visions and all. You can see here you also have an option of customize wallpaper settings and all. And let's have a look at the camera itself. Yes, allow. Okay, so quickly have a snapshot over here, and definitely have a in first impression, you can see here the quality is looking, I'll say, nice. Not actually very aggressive like other premium devices which is having a price bracket of. Let's have one more look at this, or maybe some premium object, colorful, And shutter speed is not very fast, I'll say, but overall camera quality is above average. And let's have a look at selfie as well. Selfie coming out to be very nice, very nice. You can see here this is of nice quality, and you also have some beautification modes as well, just like you can set it at high. And so this is in a beauty mode, you can see. And it also has some bokeh effects if you'll apply this as well. So even in a selfie conditions like this. So let's begin again, check it, the bokeh effect from back camera. So it's clearly able to take pictures. You can see here the other parts are clearly blurred. So camera is very awesome, I'll say. It's above average. And overall, if I'll say, the build quality is very nice, and the back is premium. Here you can see this is also all metal, and this part is of plastic, this is metal, and nothing else. And I hope you like this video, and please, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and to please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching the video. Anthony Soja signing off. Bye bye, see you again.